Can you tell me what you do every day?
No.
Can you tell me what you did today from when you woke up?
Yeah. So I usually crawl down the pipe as per usual. And then here I am on the turtle. Now, I know you're probably wondering, why are you on the turtle? Squandering your life instead of living in the city on the great elephant. And, well, to you, I say, I'm good friends with the turtle. Then, I wake up from all the drugs I was taking, and I go to work at GameStop. I love being of help to my community. Then after work, just before I go to sleep, I inject galaxy gas spinally. It just helps. Helps calm my nerves. Get the buzz back.
This job interview is over.
Did someone say gravel? Time to feast.